Hi guys, before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So today I'm going to read a book named Pete the Kitty and the Case of the Hiccups. I hope you like this, and I am going to be starting now. Pete the Kitty and the Case of the Hiccups. Hiccup. Oh no, Pete has the hiccups. Hiccup, hiccup. How do you stop the hiccups? Pete asks Grumpy Toad, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Grumpy Toad. You stand on one foot. Pete stands on one foot. Hiccup! Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asks Kaylee, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Kaylee. You stand on one foot and hop up and down. Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. Hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asks Gus, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Gus. You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song. Pete stands on one foot, he hops and down, he sings a song. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asks Bob, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Bob. You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song and rub your belly, says Bob. Pete does it. Hiccup! Nothing is working. Pete still has the hiccups. Go ask Mom, says Bob. Pete asks Mom, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Mom. You take a deep breath. Pete takes a deep breath. Hold your breath and blow it out, says Mom. Pete holds his breath. Pete blows his breath out. That's it, Pete asks. That's it, says Mom. Pete waits, and he waits, and he waits. The hiccups are gone. Moms are so smart. So, I forgot to show here. So we finished one book. Usually I'm going to read more books too after this one. This is my first one, so I got a little excited. I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and write some comments. Bye-bye. See you in my next video.